Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I got broads in Atlanta. Just a Dublin and a Fanta. Credit cards and the scammers. Pandas, welcome to the stream. Hope you had an amazing weekend. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. If you're watching, please drop a GM in the chat. Make sure you scalp that like button. What a drop we had overnight, pandas. Whoa. Whoa, what a drop. Serious drop. Goodness gracious. Is this setting up for a trap? On the daily chart? Goodness. What a... Did World War III happen? What in the world? We had a 1,000-point drop overnight. Markets are open, pandas.
25 tick trap.
Markets are open, and it is insane, actually. We're just going to fill the gap. Goodness gracious. Look at the 5-minute chart. Wow. Okay, I guess we're filling the gap here. I mean, it makes sense. While we're down here, might as well fill this gap, no? $29.22. All right, what a push. What a super push. What in the world? We got some volatility today, I'll tell you that much. I'm about to just buy anywhere, everywhere. All right, this big bar could be exhaustive. Hard to buy right after a big exhaustive bar. Small pullback. Most likely some follow through here. Pops up. Big pop up. 2 pushes up now. Continues to go up. Pablo, good morning. Crimson Demon. Welcome back. Pablo, good morning. Crimson, where you been at? Second entry long. Sit in my pause a little bit here. This looks absolutely insane, this price action. Let's just go one contract here. Wow, what a push back down. Just as fast as it goes up, it can come back down. This is dropping like a rock. What in the world? Fail second entry long here. Let's get a little bit. We need to make a new high. Could get crushed. Okay, get crushed. Second entry short. We need a new high first, I guess. Welcome, welcome back, pandas. Welcome back, Crimson. It's good to have you here. Second inch is short. Might have been the key. I was thinking a new high because this trap failed. So I said, why not maybe look for a new high here? It looks like we're looking for a new low first. Okay, interesting. He wanted 2 pushes up. Second inch is short above the 20 MA. You can't even take this trade, but all good. Stay vigilant in our lines here, in our trend lines. Big push up.
Tick trap.
Maybe not looking for that new high. High or low, I'll be interested. High or low, I'll be interested. Big push up. Looks like making a new high, high or low, I'm interested. Okay, no follow through on that bull bar. Interesting. Absolutely no follow through on that bull bar. Wow.
Tick trap.
Take me out like a man. Take me out like you should in the right place. All right. This is absolutely insane. Let's try it again. Strong bull bar ending on its near its high on the 5-minute chart. That's your first bar. Oh, jeez. My trap. Ooh, traps here. Looking to go make a new high, but I guess not. I guess we're going to just reverse with limit orders on the 5-minute chart. Yep. Ooh. Ooh, it's not good. 0-3 right now. I mean, technically, I should stop trading today. I should jump to sim. Technically, I should jump to sim right now. You know what I mean, pandas? I should just jump straight to sim. Technically. All right, one more trade. One more trade to rule them all. What in the world is going up now? Like crazy. One more trade to rule them all. Here it is. High or low. I'm thinking it's going to make a new high. If it doesn't, it'd be interesting. Come in this. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I'm done. I'm dead. Jump into sim. This is insane. I mean, I'm jumping to sim because it is 7 minutes into the trading session. I'm down 2,500. It just absolutely did a trading range on me. I thought we were going to make a new high. I mean, it just seemed kind of obvious, but I guess the obvious thing is not always obvious. Jeez. All right, I'm jumping to sim. This is too much. I'm going to be a good little boy. But I'm going to trade the same here. I'm going to trade the same. Now that we've established a trading range. I also had no business trading 2 contracts at a time. That was my first mistake. Trading 2 contracts at a time. Now that we established a trading range. It's trap trade. I'd be careful here, but we established this trading range. Too hard to time this. It's going to break out now. Notice that it doesn't come back to the bottom of this trading range. Jeez, pandas, that's insane. It's actually insane. We're jumping to sim because we got just absolutely murdered. We get smished. We get smished. Absolutely smished. What in the world was that? Pandas, I'm sorry. That was insane. Like, this volatility is crazy, but it hasn't moved anywhere. And it just absolutely chopped me up. No opportunity here. Just going back and forth, back and forth. I want to buy. Not sure if I'm going to get a chance here. This movement is insane. It's like my refresh rate is at 0. Okay. Take it back. Wow, this is very hard. This is absolutely insane. This is very difficult. Wow, this is very difficult to trade, Pandas. I'll tell you that much. This is very difficult to trade. I'll tell you that much. This is very difficult to trade. The 5-minute had a solid bull bar follow through. Ooh. Oh, Pandas, this is a hard day. I would just wash my hands and walk away. Goodness gracious. I'm 0-5 right now. It's just, it has no direction. Apps has no direction. It went up so hard and then just sputtered out. Pandas. This is an absolutely tough day. I would be careful. I would be very careful today.
Trap.
But no, how is it? That open was insane. Up 1400. That was a push. Pandas, like I'm on sim right now because this is absolutely insane mode today. Insano mode. The market. Look at this. It's taking names. Alright, I'm gonna assume this is starting to turn to a trading range now. I mean that fails against you long. I'm assuming it's going to turn into a trading range now. Come back into our trading range down here. Fails against you long. Oh, and I got absolutely crushed again. Oh my goodness. Then we come back into our trading range. Breakout retest. All right. For real, last trade of these accounts, because they're getting absolutely murdered here. Wow. What? This is very confusing. Like the timing should have been here to come back into our trading range, yet it comes back down. This far, strong bear bar ending near its low. Pushing way back up now. Very difficult. Goodness gracious. A lower high. Maybe it could be the push down we're looking for now. Maybe. I mean, I thought breakout retest since we failed that trap. And now we come back into our trading range. Goodness gracious, I can't predict this. This is very difficult. Very difficult. And it pushes all the way back up. Pandas, be careful today. Serious. Today is a tricky day. Very tricky. Alright, last push. Last attempt. Last trade. One trade to rule them all. It's been choppy. Don't know if I can just buy. Guess I should have.
$2,500.
Oh. Oh my goodness, pandas. This is absolutely just ridiculous. Avalon just lost 4 million with 6K contracts on the sim account. Why can't it be real? Lower high here. This is insane. Second entry long. Not interested because of basically we are not in a trend right now. It is not a trend. This is not a trend. I'll tell you that much. Failed to trigger. All right, one more attempt here. Going down, down, baby. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Big push up. Okay. Glad I didn't enter that trade, I guess. Where am I? Okay, cool. Wow, this is so confusing, pandas. Now we just create another trainer. Pandas, what a day. This is super confusing. This is like very confusing. I'm sorry. I'm dizzy. I'm dizzy right now. I don't know about you guys. I'm dizzy. Dizzy as heck. I don't know about you guys. This is insane. This is insane. I'm so dizzy. It's so confusing. I have no idea what's happening. I haven't won one trade yet today. 0-5. Okay, now we're kind of getting a push up here. Not sure if it means much. Every push up has been met with a big push down. I could wait for a limit order near the bottom here. Almost makes the most sense to do that. Just like wait for a big push down, limit order. Instead of buying up here, to buy somewhere down here. Or it could be the one time I don't try to go with the push, it does push up. It seems to be the case where my timing is absolutely horrendous right now. Wow. Alright, pushes up. It just pushes up. Like, we've had so many push-ups, push down, push up. I thought it was going to push down. Rather, it does kind of follow the momentum here. To buy or not to buy? That is the question, pandas. To buy or not to buy? Are we all first entries now? What in the world? Okay, I'm in. Thinking it was going to do this big push down. Hopefully make a new high somewhere. Hopefully make a new high. But who knows? Wow. Let's try. Do something cheeky here. I mean, it's obeying our trend line, which is nice. It's respecting the trend line, which is a good sign for us since we're going long now. Can I win one trade today? Is it possible? I don't know. I don't think I can win a trade today. It's just not pandas. I think I'm almost dead here. Nah, I got like 1,500 of threshold left. Not bad, not too shabby. I feel like I might as well just try today. Might as well just bust these accounts. We're so far down. What in the world? There's a trap trade, but I don't know. I don't know if I like it. It kind of looks like we're going up in a very choppy manner, but we are going up. Trap does trigger. I tried several trap attempts. They all failed, so I don't know if I'm like keen on doing more traps. Like, it looks like a trading range day. So the traps look like they would work. But the last two traps I attempted all failed. So I was not eager to jump in this one, but this one at least goes for a scalp. I got tried the trap here to come back into this.
2,500 tick
Okay, big
trap.
push up. Jeez. Wow, this is horrendous. Goodness gracious, this is very difficult. This is very difficult. It likes the channel here. It could push down. I don't know. I'm going to take this as a failed trap attempt, essentially. Whoa. Oh my goodness, get out of here. Take a fail second to short. Guess we won't get it. Okay. Fail second to short. One time. One time. One time for your mind. At least a new high, no? Is that not what we're expecting? At least a new high, unless we double top here and come all the way back down. Which, on a day like today, could be possible. It could double top here, and this could be the reversal. Could definitely do something stinky like that. So stinky. On a day like today, that is very reasonable to think it could happen. feel like I gotta skunk this. Nope, we're going for it. Wow. Just pushed right through my order. Didn't even fill me. Gotta love that. I don't know if I want another push down here. If it gives me another push down, I'm out. If it goes back down, I'm out of this trade. Spike channel of some sort. Yeah. This day is way too confusing. Wow. Wow, this is very difficult. I will just say be careful, pandas. I mean, we are not in an easy trading environment. I mean, if you're having a hard time today, pandas, you're in good company because this is not easy. This is not easy at all. I still have like 1,500 in threshold I can play with. Yeah, maybe I'll wait. Or take one more trade, pandas. One more trade to rule them all. Double top reversal here. It's insane. Every time it pushes up so hard. Every time it pushes very strong in one way and just chops up. It's very tricky because it just jukes you out. Like, it makes you think it's going to go one way, and then it just completely breaks your neck. Rips your face off. We were clearly above the 20 EMA on the 2500 tick chart. Pushing up.
$2,500 tick trap.
Jeez. Look at this. Strong bull bar. It's going to come like all the way back down. Limit order market. I don't know how you trade this, pandas. If you like a day like today, then I mean, to each his own. This is not fun for me. This is very difficult, actually. Very confusing. It is going up. I can tell you that much. Like, we're going in an upwards direction. Actually, we have a weekly trap as well. Actually, let me look at the daily chart. Wow, the daily chart pushes down here. I was not expecting the weekly chart. We're right on 20 EMA on the weekly. Whew. That's a fail second entry long, actually. Daily chart. Wow. Just was not expecting that. This is absolutely insane. Okay, we make a new high, so we're just pushing up. I don't know. I gotta clear all this up. This is very confusing. Let's regroup here. We are obviously against some sort of massive channel going up. Can we capture it though? Can we capture the trend line? Something along these lines. Literally. We had the most touches like this. We do break a little bit above here, but we have the most touches like this. I don't know. Does that mean we start trading this? Does that mean we just start buying down here, selling up here? Is that what that means? What's the harm trying, you know? What harm is there trying this one time? Why not us? Okay. Very confusing, very difficult day, in my opinion. This is not easy. We're going up, but we going up in a very choppy manner. So every setup that was going long fails. Yet we're still going long. Every short setup fails with stop orders. But limit orders, they are doing great. Limit orders are doing very good here. Second entry long forming here. I don't know if I can buy anything other than somewhere near the bottom of this channel. I don't think I can buy anything else. I don't think I can buy up here because every time I bought near here, it's failed. So even though this triggers, I can't take it. It's just terrible signal bar. This is bouncing around now. Still second entry long setup here. $2,500 tick chart spike and channel. Essentially, that's what it is. It's a channel, but it's like yeah, it's a channel. Spike and channel here. Only thing I'm willing to do is buy near the bottom of this channel now.
2,500 tick trap.
Even second entry long triggers here, I don't care. I cannot buy near. That's like buying in the middle of a trading range. I just cannot do it. Fail second entry long here. Could be a big push down. I could care less because I'm just buying near the bottom of this channel. Somewhere near the bottom here. Ooh, big push down. Can we get a push up from this channel, please? Buying off the bottom of this channel now. It happens to be right when it breaks down, though. Unfortunately. It does break down a little bit. I'm hoping it doesn't break this low. Okay. It perfectly tick shots me. The most perfect tick shot in all of history. Still have 900 left. Trying to buy the bottom of the channel. Has hit it several times and now it breaks through it. So, what can you do? The most perfect tick shot in all of history. Can you believe this? If this reverses up now, I'm astonished. It's literally one tick beneath this pivot low. It got bought up. It makes sense that people buy here actually, but jeez. It makes sense that people buy here, right? I mean, if you're a limit order market, that's where you buy it near the last previous pivot. And that's exactly what people did, and it tick shots me out of this world. This is insane. It makes sense for you buy it there, though. What can I say? Who's there to blame other than myself? Putting my stop loss right where people will buy. High or low setting up. I don't really like any of it. I'm like owing a million. Let me just count what my record is right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm 0-8. That's how difficult today is for me. Oh my goodness. Pandas. Pandas. What in the world? Alright. It's going to push down now. Give me a fail second entry long. I'll take it. Oh, give me a fail second entry long. I'll take it. Not good enough. I need the actual setup. Because of how terrible today is, I actually want a real setup here. It might go without me now. Darn it. It's going to flush. I wanted my setup, but it's gonna flush now. It's gonna go without me. It's all good. No harm waiting for your setup, right? I needed a fail second entry long, but it's gonna go without me. Second entry short ends up being the setup here, but we were in this channel for so long that we'd come back up into it. Notice that we failed to reach the top of the channel, giving us signs that this channel might be done with. Right? We didn't hit the top of the channel. Even when I was being gracious to it, right? I could adjust it to these pivots, but even being like pretty generous here, I couldn't even reach it. Decent push down, which is what I wanted, but obviously the market's not being kind to us. Second entry short.
$2,500 tick trap.
Whoa, trend line hit. Limit order market on the 5-minute chart, perhaps, which is scary to go to sell because you just buy the bottom of this bear bar. Just buy it, limit orders.
$2,500 tick trap.
I'll take the second entry short if we get one here. Coming off our trend line and 20 MA. Close enough. Close enough. Can't find any setups whatsoever. Yeah, limit order market, 5-minute chart just bought up this bear bar with limit orders. I'm not surprised that's happening. The problem is I just can't find a setup. I just can't. Every setup that happens fails. Oh boy. Oh, this is tough. Oh, it's a tough one. It's a tough one, Ben. This is a tough one. Limit order market on the 5-minute chart. So people are selling at the top of the previous bar, buying near the bottom of the previous bar. Basically in this range right now. But the question is, Panos, do we grow some massive cojones and just buy and sell with limit orders right here? Do I just buy with a limit order down here? Do I have the cojones to do it? Is the question. Massive push down. Like bear bar of doom. Can I just buy down here somehow with limit orders? Whew. I don't know about that. Yet there will be traders doing it. Okay. No idea what's happening here. Big up, big down trading range. So much volatility. What a waste. So much volatility, yet no direction. So what a waste of volatility today. It's volatile, but very choppy. Just sad. Okay, pushes down. Pushes up. Very cool. Pushes down. Pushes up. Marcus Vaughn, good morning, everyone. I'm just tuning in. Sorry to see the P&L panel, but like always, you got this, bro. I appreciate it. I mean, this is just insane. Today is a crazy day. I mean, just look at the price action that we've been in. Every single setup has failed. You're going to run into days like this in your trading journey. You will run into days like this in your trading journey. I'm 0-8 right now. Isn't that harder to be 0-8? Isn't that actually impressive, Pandas? To be 0-8, to lose 8 in a row. I mean, in a seemingly 50-50 market, isn't it incredible? That's like flipping heads 8 times in a row. It can happen, but that's what it is. Okay. No clue what's happening. Looks like it's trying to push down, though. It's showing bear bar and here it's low. I mean, it looks like it's trying to push down. But in a limit order market, things like this can happen. It can come right back up. Only problem is this doesn't get very high, this attempt up here, right? It's basically a double top, a lower high. Well, I guess you can call it a triple top. Okay. Jeez.
2,500 tick trap.
I mean, are these counts? Can I even trade these accounts? The accounts are dead. Alright, jeez, this is insane. I can't. What in the world is this? Pandas. I concede. 0-9. It's possible to lose 9 in a row. You just saw it. It's actually crazy. If you don't think you can lose 9 in a row, just wait till you trade a day like today. Just wait till you trade a day like this. Just wait till you trade a day like this. Look at this craziness.
$2,500 tick trap.
We're jumping to sim. I mean, the counts are busted, so I'm just. The markets are absolutely insane right now. They're volatile yet very choppy. My first mistake was trading 2 contracts every trade. Like I could have halved my losses if I just traded 1 contract, especially on a day like today. But jeez.
$2,500 tick trap.
Five-minute OII pattern. Outside, inside, inside. Breaks to the downside. Going short. And I put my stop loss on the other side of the inside bar. This is basically a basic Al Brooks setup. Just the OII pattern breakout mode. On the 5-minute chart. The problem is the candles are huge, right? This is a huge risk. With huge risk is huge reward, so let's get it. Oh, I'm actually 0-10 because I lost a trade on Sim today. Oh, actually, no, I'm 0-9. I skunked 1 trade. That's right. I'm 0-9. I skunked 1. We're actually getting a decent trade here, the very last trade, and it's on Sim, so it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna keep trading 2 contracts though. I'm not gonna go like 100 contracts. I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try on a day like today. I need to like learn. I need to learn how to trade days like today. It's just insane. Look at this. Whoa. Whoa. Spiking channel of some sort.
Target.
We got our 1-to-1 on that. Pandas. Pandas. Guess what? We're 1-9. We are 1-9. Easiest trading day of my life. 1-9. That setup was the 5-minute OII pattern. OII, right? This is outside. This bar is inside, right? The range of this bar, the high and the low, is within the high and the low of the previous bar. And the same thing with this one. The high and the low are within this bar. So I had a sell here and then my stop and a buy here. And whichever way it broke, I was just going to enter. And then once it triggers, I just put stop loss on the other side of the inside bar. Of the last inside bar. That's all that was. The setup is easy. It's actually very easy to detect as well. It's very easy to detect. I mean, easiest day of my life. Easiest trading day of my life. And it all happens the moment I bust my counts, this trade happens. It just, I guess I just had to be patient. I don't know. It was a nice push down though, but I was willing to risk a lot. That's the problem with that trade. That is a problem with this trade. It's a big risk. But we got good reward, right? We got a 1-to-1, so for these you gotta get at least 1-to-1s in my opinion. Second, it feels like I just short here. I'm not gonna take it though. I don't like it. Anything. I'm gonna sell again here, right where my break even would be with a runner. How many times does this happen? How many times do we come back all the way back to take the runner out? Happens all the time. And then it goes the way you want it to go. Happens all the time. So I got your short here, but above the 20 EMA, so I skipped it. Maybe looking for a new low.
$2,500 tick trap.
Hit trap triggers. How many times does it happen where your stop loss for your runner gets stopped out, like to the tick pretty much? You get tick shotted and then it goes the way you want it to go. How many times has that happened? We're going to actually take advantage of the fact that happens all the time. And we're going to re-enter this trade. It's going to be sick. Just watch. It's going to be so sick. In this trade. Whoa. Hello. What are you doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hello. It's pure limit order market. This in a sense is a free, quote unquote free trade because basically just playing with the profits of this. And it didn't do what I thought I was going to do, which was bounce off this area, which was the break-even area for a runner, and it's doing the exact opposite. It's actually like flying through, and this is kind of why we put a stop loss at the break-even point because of this happening. Jeez Louise. It is what it is. Look at the 5-minute. I mean, you just can't catch a break. Big bear bar, no follow through. Just absolutely gets bought up with limit orders. Insane. Maybe I should have suspected that. Maybe I should look for limit orders above as well. We might as well try. Look for limit orders above as well. Really pushing up now. This is the widest stop in all of America. We're going to try to play this as a range. This is the widest stop in America right now. Oh. Ah. Wow, what a day. What a crazy trade day. It's a spiking channel. Usually the spiking channels have 3 pushes. Okay. I mean, am I really mad about it coming here? Getting up to this area? Am I mad about that? Not really.
2,500 tick trap.
Come up, break even on this trade. Or we can get greedy.
Target filled.
Came up break even on that trade. It was such a limit order market that it was. I pretty much tick shotted it, right? Like I entered here. It actually doesn't make any sense because I entered on this candle. It didn't even reach this level. It actually reached that level on the next candle. But that's Ninja Trader for you, you know what I mean? Come up break even perfectly. Jeez, look at that. Boom, boom. I mean, that's a double tick shot if I saw one. Goodness gracious. Double tick shot. That's incredible. Man, as I would just stay away from this market if I were you. It's not worth trading, in my opinion. You think it's going to start trending now, but just wait. You'll see. Just wait. You'll find out. How perfect of a break even was that? Scale in, come up break even to the tick. It makes me think other traders did the exact same thing. Wow. This is pushing up now. I'm 1 in 9, pandas. How's that possible? Coming back to the previous week's low. Testing the previous week's low now. I think it's a key area. Currently breaking out here. I could just try to sell this bull bar because we're in a limit order market. Could. It's a bit silly though. We are in breakout mode, so I'm just going to sit on my pause. Not going to short anything. I could try, but... It's a bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart. But since we're in a limit order market, it almost makes sense just to sell there, which is what a lot of traders just did, right? The moment Spark closed, they just sold it, noticing that we're in a limit order market. I would think that traders are doing that on purpose, but it feels more like, just imagine there's a big pool of orders, bunch of limit orders, bunch of stop orders, bunch of bulls, bunch of buys, bunch of sells, all happening at one time. And that's the outcome of all of those things happening together. So there were traders who were selling that bull bar, expecting it to go back down. 2500 tick chart is like on a tear right now. So many bull bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 8. 7 out of the last 8 bars were bull bars. You gotta respect that. Or the previous week's low, that's what this dotted line is. The previous week's low. It's important because we gapped underneath it. And if we get a fail second entry long here, I'm taking it. Second entry long. I said I wouldn't do it. But here I am. Ready to do it. Fail second entry long is my setup here. I said I wouldn't do it, but here I am about to do it.
2500 tick trap.
What's happening here? Breaking out a little bit. Breaking out a lot of it. Don't trust anything here. Clearly above the 20 MA. Clearly an uptrend. Silliest trade in America right now. We're taking it right now. The silliest trade in America. I love how long it takes for the order just to pop up. Yeah, silliest trade in America. You just witnessed the silliest trade in America right now. Okay. You can count that as 0 and 1 and 10. Here we go. Takes me up by the tick. Pushes back up. Incredibly. Incredibly. Whoa! 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 Uh-oh. I couldn't even change my orders because, uh-oh. What is happening? Ninja Trader is the most clunkiest platform I've ever used in my entire life. What
2500 tick trap.
is happening right now? I don't know if I'm in a long or short. I'm in a short right now. Okay. It's fair. It's fair. If we can't beat them, join them. This could be a big one here. This could be a big one. I don't like how I get stopped out before I can even move the train around. I don't even know like what's happening.
2500 tick trap.
I closed this. I don't know what's happening. I gotta widen this actually. The stop loss is too little. This should be a little bit better. Hard time bringing it beneath this low. Hard time breaking beneath the weekly low. Again, having a hard time? Okay. Well, that's crazy. The 5-minute candle, right? Bull bar ending on its high, 3 bull bars in a row. Gets just sold right when it closes. Uh-oh. I think we're on the wrong side of this. Hello. What's my P? 180K? That's it? That's nothing. Just watch this, pandas. Watch this. Give me a second. me a second here. I've lost so much money on my sim account. It's not even letting me enter a trade. That's not good. I've lost so much money on my sim account. I can't even enter a trade. Huh? Have you ever lost so much money in a sim account you couldn't trade anymore? That's actually crazy. I had to change the parameters. I just lost too much money. I'm like owing like 1 million today. I'll take it though. I'll take it. Pretty much owing on 111 here. You know the strange thing about today is you could have really bought anywhere and made money. With a wide enough stop, you could really buy anywhere and make money today.
2500 tick trap.
How many people had their stop loss right here and got tick shotted again?
2500 tick trap.
Okay. Very cool.
Target filled.
Ninja Trader is so trash. Oh my goodness. What's going on? Shooting for the stars. Let's say I'm 2 and 11 here. What a day. What a day. Okay, if we don't get this push, I'm closing it. Well, that was a fun day to trade. Seriously, pandas. Like, what a crazy day. Very difficult. And if you did well in today's market, then you have a very interesting strategy, I will say. You have a very interesting strat that's meant for days like today. But very confusing day, in my opinion. It was very difficult for me, and it's just, it's not really like, you know, it's best to see like early on after this huge push up. This trap does work, but this trap fails. Seconds are short. This got very confusing. So many overlapping bars here. So many overlapping bars on the way up. Right, big bull bars, big bear bars. Getting reversed. 5 minute as well. Right, big bear bar gets reversed. Bull bar, bull bar. No follow through, just pause. It's very confusing in my opinion. But pandas, I mean, it's not an excuse. It's just saying that I get better on days like today. Really difficult. Very difficult. One more trade to rule them all. One more trade to rule them all. Feels like entry long. It just happened to be on a day like today, though. It might be best to scale it again here because of how choppy we are. In a sense, it's like the easiest day to trade, but also the hardest day to trade. Like I bet you I could scale in here and come out at least break even. It's like if you're like willing to have a really wide stop, you could see. But for here, like let's say you're trying to go short here, like you would have got crushed. Look at that. It takes you out perfectly. Like my scalp stop loss is right here. It's playing a bunch of games with us today. Market. Like typically your stop loss would have been right here. It takes you out and it goes down. That's just some kind of day you're having today. Absolutely insane. That is so tricky. That is so incredibly tricky. It's up like 20,000. Let's see if we can get up like another 50,000 here. Dang, 1 in 10 you could be fired mid-season. Absolutely. Oh man, the game yesterday. Commanders killed themselves. Let me just say that. But hopefully this is the worst it is. We need a better defense. I think the offseason, Jaden Daniels needs to gain like 50 pounds of muscle. Okay, 10 to 20 pounds of muscle. He needs to gain that. And we need better defense. Like we can score, but we cannot stop other people from scoring, which is crazy. And let's let this finish off. One trade to rule them all. That is so tricky, though. I would have stopped out there if I wasn't thinking of scaling it up here. It's actually crazy. Like if you look at the market and see like where people are entering, they're entering in where people's stop losses are. You know you're in for a tricky day. Maybe I should let a couple setups go by and see where people's stop losses are and where people are entering. I'm going to close it at the end of the 5-minute candle. I'm going to try to time it perfectly so I close it right at the end of the 5-minute. Let's press the close button. All right, up 92,000. It's okay day. Not bad. Oh. It's 92,000. It's an average okay day for me. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This was crazy. I hope you guys are okay and safe out there. I feel like a lot of people's accounts got busted today. It's just, you're going to find days like today, and you got to do your best to identify days like today before you get burned. Or you can have like little things for yourself, like 3 losses in a row. Like I should have stopped at my 3 losses in the beginning of the day at 7 minutes. But I kept trading after. I traded sim a little bit, and I was like, all right, let me just trade back on my regular accounts. And then that was the price I paid. Play dumb games, win dumb prizes. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. Pandas, and that's the beauty of prop firms. That's the beauty of Apex. You'll lose all your money, but you're not even losing your own. And that's the beauty of it. Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll try again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a brand new day. Brand new accounts. I'll see you guys then. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.